Today, I'm going to show you how to recreate this design in Canva in an easy and professional way. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along step by step. Let's get started. As you can see, the character image has already been imported. Next, open the Apps panel and type Type Cutout in the search bar. And select the tool, open the tool, and type your text. Next, adjust the letter spacing. And click Use Selected Image. Set the rotation to -90 degrees. Then adjust the image scale until everything looks right. Adjust image in text. Now, click on Add to Design. Now adjust the text so it aligns well with the image. Now add a shape, just like this. Then adjust its position until it looks right. After that, move the text forward. Finally, change the shape color to match your design. And now, crop the image. Next, select all the elements and make a group. Then, adjust the group as needed. Now, let's add the text. Next, select the text and change the font to Anthony. Now, open the Elements section and add a line. Change the color of the line. Next, duplicate the text and the line, then repeat the same process. Again, select the text and group it, then adjust it to balance your design. Again, go to the Elements section and add a barcode. Finally, add one more element in the right corner to fill the empty space. You can choose any element that matches your design. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva design tutorials.